Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the truth about wealth creation and debunk common myths. Today, we're diving deep into the topic of wealth creation to separate fact from fiction. So, grab a pen and paper because we're about to reveal what really works. Myth number 1, you have to be born into wealth to become wealthy. Many people believe that wealth creation is solely determined by the circumstances of your birth. But that's far from the truth. While being born into wealth can provide advantages, it's not a prerequisite for wealth creation. In fact, numerous self-made millionaires and billionaires started with nothing. The key to overcoming this myth is to understand that wealth creation is not an event but a journey. It requires dedication, education, and a willingness to take action. With the right mindset and strategy, anyone can create wealth, regardless of their background. Take Oprah Winfrey, for example. She grew up in poverty and faced numerous challenges, yet she managed to build a media empire and become one of the most successful women in the world. Oprah's story shows us that wealth creation is within reach for anyone, regardless of their background. Myth number 2, you need a high-paying job to become wealthy. Many people believe that a high salary is the only path to wealth. While a higher income can certainly help, it's not the sole determinant of wealth creation. The truth is, it's not about how much money you make. It's about how you manage and grow your money. Wealth creation is about building multiple streams of income, investing wisely, and living below your means. It's the combination of these factors that can lead to long-term financial success. Look at Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest individuals on the planet. He built his wealth through investing, not a high salary. Buffett's success demonstrates that anyone can become wealthy by investing intelligently and making sound financial decisions. Myth number 3, wealth creation requires taking big risks. This myth often discourages people from pursuing wealth because they believe they need to take massive risks, like investing all their savings in a single venture. But in reality, calculated risks are a better approach. Successful wealth creators understand the importance of risk management. They diversify their investments, conduct thorough research, and make informed decisions. It's about balancing risk and reward and having a long-term perspective. Building wealth is not about gambling, it's about making prudent choices based on careful analysis. By adopting a disciplined approach to wealth creation, you can mitigate risks and increase your chances of long-term success. It's about making informed decisions rather than blindly relying on luck or taking unnecessary risks. Myth number 4, wealth creation is only for the lucky few. Many people attribute wealth creation to sheer luck, assuming that only a fortunate few can achieve financial success. But luck plays a minimal role compared to hard work, discipline, and smart financial strategies. The truth is that wealthy individuals often possess a strong work ethic, discipline, and a willingness to learn. They understand the importance of setting goals, budgeting, and saving. While luck may occasionally play a role, it's not the driving force behind wealth creation. Building wealth is a journey that requires persistence, resilience, and continuous self-improvement. It's about developing valuable skills, seeking opportunities, and making the most of them. Remember, wealth creation is accessible to anyone who is willing to put in the effort and make informed choices. Myth number 5, wealth creation is a quick process. We live in a world of instant gratification, where people expect immediate results. However, building lasting wealth takes time and consistency. Successful wealth creators know the power of compounding. They invest for the long term, understanding that small, consistent steps can lead to significant wealth over time. It's about playing the long game rather than chasing quick wins. Wealth creation requires patience and persistence. It's important to focus on developing sustainable habits like saving, investing, and continuously expanding your knowledge. Consistency, discipline, and a long-term perspective are key to achieving lasting wealth. There you have it, debunking common myths about wealth creation. Remember, anyone can embark on the journey of wealth creation, regardless of their background or current financial situation. It's about debunking these myths, adopting the right mindset, and implementing proven strategies. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. As always, we're here to empower you with knowledge and help you on your path to financial success. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep learning.